The little Morgan then, ladies and gentlemen, has just arrived with us. Always popular. I see the hood's been put up of a fashion, but hang on a second, they've got some bars wrong in there. I assume they've... Oh. I'll do that when I've got 2 hands spare. Yeah, that bar. Oh, there's one bar's dropped down there. One bar, yeah. I think they've just put it up just to keep the weather off. But that's either up or down. That would fit considerably better than that. God, there's only so many things you can do with one hand, isn't there? Hang on a sec. Let's just get this out the way. See if I can just get this. Yeah. Get this down. This is when you want a Morgan with the weather as it is today. Let's whip this off. At least you can see the hood is in really good order. But yeah, when it comes to lovely Morgans like this, the hood is a backup plan in case it catches you out the weather, isn't it? Let's just whip that off, make sure that's not going to fall down. That's okay there. We'll pop that on the floor here. I'll just lay that on there for now. Side screens are again, they're in really good order. One's on the car there, obviously the driver's side is here. And then, which is a bit of a bonus, it looks like we've got a tonneau cover there. That's what you'll end up using 9 times out of 10. Tonneau cover. Just to pop on the car when you park up or whatever it might be. So there looks to be a tonneau there. So there you go. Now, that's when they come into their own. I've got one of these and I've never actually driven it yet. My father got it out of storage last year or the year before and used it sparingly. I must get it out and get some fun out of it, because look at the weather today out there. Absolutely glorious again out there. Now look at that. Now that's a proper shape of a car, isn't it? That's when they look the business. I'm guessing she'll be running Ford. She is. There you go. Pinto engine. Bulletproof. Let's just pop the battery on. Hopefully there's enough go to fire her up. Oh, Ashley's already taken a nice series of photographs, it tells me on there. Let's just see what we've got. In fact, before I squeeze in... Oh yeah, we've got some ignition lights. Again, you need 2 hands just to help yourself slide in. But once you're in, bingo, there you are. Right, tighten that up, turn that, a couple of pumps there. Ooh. See where we are. Oh, I'm looking. Choke I've got there. Wonder if that's the right or wrong key. It's done the first start. Let me just hold that barrel's moving around there. Guys, let me just give me a second. I'll just hold the barrel with one hand and try and turn the key with the other. Hang on a sec. Oh, there you go. Oh, straight up. There you go. Instantly. Barrel wants tightening up there, guys. It just is moving the whole lot round. Let's put the choke in. Well, that's a fantastic start from cold, isn't it? Sounds fit as well, does that? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's right on the clutch. Yep, it's bang on. I'm camped with that. That sounds really well. It sounds real fit, does that? Oh, you need 2 hands to get out. Well, anyway, guys, there you go. Like I say, Ashley's already taken a nice series of photographs for you. You can't ask for more than that, can you? That's from Stone Cold this morning. Straight on. So you've got Pinto, Ford running gear, on the button, just wants the ignition there tightening up. You've got the side screens, you've got the hood, you've got the tonneau cover. Obviously she's wire wheeled, you can see that for yourself. What a real nice usable British car that is. Look at that. There you go. Next step is come down, have a look, make sure it's one for you, and have a load of fun.